Hi there, this is a tip for the Audi A4 B6 model 2001 to 2005 to get through the firewall. If you want to run some cable, there's basically two options. You can try and go through uh, the main harness, and there's actually a big hole. If you just need to take the windscreen wiper off, and then there's four bolts on the main harness there. That's probably to the computer here, and then through the hole there at the back. It's a massive hole, so you can run whatever you want through it, but then you have to come out of this box, and I think it's probably better that it's sealed. But there is another option. Underneath this box there's a plastic O-ring with two placements. The first is taken. I'll show you here. You need to take off the lower dash, and the placement there where you can see the green wire going in. Next to it there's a big red wire, and there's actually a little, I'll try and show it here. Oops, it's kind of tricky. Alright, so this is the one you want to access. And you can see my green wire here going in. And the best way to do it is with a stiff wire, a very stiff wire, like a garden fence wire or something like that, that's got a lot of, that's very stiff, not just a copper wire. And you can basically just force it through this hole, the one next to the occupied grommet, and it will come out just underneath the box. So that's what I've managed to do here. This is the green wire coming out here. So there's the box, and the green wire is actually, you can see it there, it comes out from under the box. So if you don't know about it, it's pretty tough to find, but after that you can pull in your own wires. I'm running some wires to run this custom flashing fog lights with the directional, so I need to hook up a few wires into the front of the car. So that's basically it.